here recently I've been thinking about how much food and music mean to me. Both those things are such a part of my childhood memories. I have memories of being in my aunt's kitchen and she'd make tamales or burritos or tortillas, and we'd all be in there watching and hanging out. My cousins would help, the older ones, her daughters would help. But usually I just remember us hanging out there with her and just watching what she was doing. And then somehow my uncle was always there, and he's a drummer. And so he would always have some kind of bongos or something there. And we would play music while they were cooking. And it's just such a fun memory for me. And so it got me thinking about the joy of cooking together with family, with friends. And so I want to bring that joy to you guys. And so I'm going to start having some episodes, little special episodes to show me cooking with my family and friends. And it's really just about the bonding experience. If you learn something along the way, great. But my point of it is to show you the joy of what it is to share food, the joy of spending quality time with each other. And maybe that's not your kind of quality time, but it's the quality time I remember. And so I just want to share that experience with you. So starting this Wednesday will be the first episode or video that I will have showing it. So I hope you enjoy. Please watch. And just thank you so much for spending time watching any videos on this channel.